In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is you want to go to a specific page in which you want to add a reminder to. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side on the navigation panel, and then either under private or team spaces, you want to go to a specific page. I have a page for a task, and actually I have a page for a task. And to set a reminder, there are actually two ways for you to do that. As you can see here on the very top of my database, I actually have a due date. Now, to set a reminder, you will need to have a date property as well as a due date. And to do that, you want to go to the right-hand side, and then you will see a plus sign to add a property. Make sure the property is a date, and then you can move this into wherever you want. Now, you want to go to the date property itself, and you will see the columns will exactly match the columns that you have in here. Let's say I want to add a due date, just click on a blank space, and then you will actually see an option to remind. Let's say I actually have a due date up to the 31st, and then you will see here an option to remind. If you click on remind, you will see that you can remind them on the day of the event, 1 day before, 2 days before, or 1 week before. If you want to make this very detailed, you can actually click on include time. And if you do include the time, you can change the time format and the time zone, as well as adding a specific minute before reminding them of the due date. We can do an hour before. And if you go back to your page, you will actually see a reminder will be sent for this page or for the members of this page. What you could also do is, let's say I have a few notes here and I want to add a reminder. What you can do is you want to click on at, and then there will be an option to remind me, to remind today, or remind me tomorrow. We can remind them tomorrow. So we just successfully added a reminder to finish the project report tomorrow at 9 a.m. If you do type on remind as a whole, it will just say the same thing. And that's about it. That's how to set a reminder in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.